847. Well, nowadays, social networks and online dating sites are a couple of the top places to meet that special someone.
Yeah, no kidding. But there are risks that come with online dating, and Ken is at the touchscreen with how to protect yourself with some R. Kelly in the background.
Not good. Hey, out with Ryan, and once again from Nerds on Call. Always good to see you, man. How are you?
Great to be here.
You know, we're just talking about, they just mentioned the fact that it's becoming so popular to kind of find that connection in sites like this, but there are folks that are just kind of laying in wait to steal from you when you go there.
Exactly. Well, about 31% of Americans either use online dating or have used or know somebody who's using online dating. Yeah. So that's a huge potential pool for scammers to go to.
Okay.
Nearly 20 million people a month log into online dating sites.
20 million?
Now, one of the things that scammers are looking to do is not only just steal your identity, but they're also looking to do phishing scams where they get more of your identification, or sometimes they just ask for money.
Yeah.
So there's some easy ways to determine fakes. First, you want to use your instincts. Okay. So one of the things you'll see is they'll upload a fake image. If it's too good to be true, if you're kind of dating above your station, guess what? It's probably not real. So they'll use fake images like this, and there's a good way, or they'll put them in like uniforms or something like that, and there's an easy way to find out if that's a fake image or not.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Download it to your computer and then upload it to a site like TinEye, and it'll search the entire web and look to see if that image has been used elsewhere, and you can instantly tell if that's a fake image or not. How cool is that?
I never even knew that was even possible.
TinEye.com will do that for you. But also, when you're on these sites, did you know about 10% of the profiles on these sites are fake?
No, I
They
did
use
not.
them for advertising, they use them for scams or phishing or whatever.
Wow.
It's horrible. So be aware, assume that you're talking to somebody that's fake, it's always best. And then when you first want to start talking to them, do something like a video chat. That way you can see the real person you're talking to. If while they're chatting with you, they're using bad grammar or bad, they're not really, something seems fishy, then make sure you do the video chat first, or if you're going to finally meet somebody, meet them in a public place rather than having to have them come to your home to pick you up or something like that.
Right.
But if you use your instincts, you're going to be best off. Avoid giving away personal information. If they run into an emergency, which is an often case, one of the scammers will say, oh, I got this emergency, my daughter's in prison or whatever, and they ask you to send them money. Don't send them money. I mean, there's no reason for anybody that you just met to send money to them.
Now, one of the things about folks who are on these sites is that the more you are on the site, usually the more feedback you'll get. More.
This is usually kind of a long game for most of the scammers.
Okay.
They're going to go in there, they're going to chat with you a couple of times, send you back a couple of emails, build up your trust, and then they'll get you. This is a lot more profitable than them just sending out spam email to people.
Right.
These people are generally vulnerable when you're on there. You're kind of open to talking and meeting people, and so it's a lot easier to take advantage of you.
Are there any of these particular dating sites that are putting in preventative measures to stop people from doing this?
Well, Match.com just recently started doing some background checks. eHarmony.com does some background checks. So it's always best to be safe that way. You just got to be aware of what's going on. Use your instincts when you're on these dating sites. That's always the best.
Before we wrap up, can we go back to that one site again that reverses the image? What's it called again?
It's called TinEye.com.
Okay.
And you can upload any image to this website, and it'll check to see where else it's been posted on the web, give you links so you can see them. And so if you see something up there that seems kind of fishy,
it doesn't quite match up.
Just upload it and take a look at it.
But it's one of those things, like you said, everything in life kind of comes back to your instincts and some common sense. And if it just doesn't seem right, it's not. Or if it seems like it's too good to be true, it probably is.
Yeah, exactly. Well, that's why services like Skype are fantastic for online dating.
Yeah.
If you download a Skype profile and you guys are video chatting back and forth, it's real easy to tell if they're scamming you.
Always good to see you. We'll talk again about this coming up in the next hour. Back to you guys in a second.
All right, Ken,
now I guess
thanks.
I can't use Bradley Cooper's headshot as my Match.com photo, huh?
No, you cannot.
Probably.
Thanks.